Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Anne.
How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. And soon
I'm also good. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm fighting
Okay. Are you a boy or a girl?
a phone.
Where are you from?
I from Vietnam.
Where do you study?
I study at IBC Hỗ Hồ Center.
Okay. Who's this? Who's this? She's a.
She teacher.
Very good. What's this? It's a.
It's a piano.
What's this?
It's a seesaw.
What's this?
It's a queen.
What's this?
It's a symbol.
Very good. How do you feel?
I am happy.
How do you feel?
I am hungry.
How do you feel?
I am caring.
I am scared.
I am care.
Are you hot? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
Are you cold?
Yes, I am.
Are you sad?
No, I know.
Okay. How many fish are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.